Then we also have this potpourri. Is it potpourri? Potpourri? How do they pronounce it? Please, I don't know. But we have this scented potpourri. What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Temitope Banks. If you are new here, I am a Nigerian YouTuber. So you guys, I'm currently doing this series where I am upgrading my living room, and you can check out the videos here. And so in this video, we're going to be doing a haul of decor items that I got from Dollar Tree. Well, not me, my husband got from Dollar Tree, and they are so affordable, like $1, $2, $3. I feel like they're very, very affordable. And so yeah, we're going to be looking at the different items and let's just have fun together. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, if you like me, please subscribe. Okay, if you like the content, please subscribe and join my community here. So let's go. So let's get started. So some items that he got that I was particularly excited about are these picture frames. You guys, I told you guys that I want to do a, can you guys see the sun? Yeah, I want to do like a gallery wall. So it was gracious enough to help me get a lot of picture frames. So I think we have, this one is 11 by 14. I think it got about 10 of this. There are lots. Some people got broken, so I need to take them to like the people who can fix the glass, because in transit it got broken. Yeah, so yeah, so we have like different sizes, but a lot of picture frames for my gallery wall. I told you guys that I want to do a gallery wall. I want to do a gallery wall with inspirational content, just things to make me feel happy. Okay, anytime I enter my living room, I just feel happy. So some of the other things that he got lots of candles. We've distributed those ones, but these are the two that I kept. I love the scent. This one is a caramel scent. It's the Lumin Essence brand, but it smells very nice. Yeah, it reminds me of the candle that I got from Goody Wicks. Yes, I got a candle from a Nigerian candle maker, and it's the same what's it called, fragrance. And there's this citrus thyme one. Oh, I like it. It smells so fruity, and I'm in heaven. So yeah, so we have candles. So we're going to be decorating the corner shelf with some candles, so we can burn some candles, and everywhere will just be smelling like heaven and not Iru and Kwala. Then we also have this potpourri, lemon scented potpourri. What's the correct pronunciation? Is it like French? I don't know. Potpourri. Is it potpourri? Potpourri? How do they pronounce it? Please, I don't know. But we have this scented potpourri. I don't know. It also got this things, this shells. Yeah, so initially when I saw the shells, I was like, I beg, if I go and put this thing in my parlor, let someone not come and say, okay, I can see. That's the secret of our powers. Because human beings, I just thought about it, but it's pretty. Like this one is black or gray, while this one is a white. Can you guys see what I'm doing? It's a white shell, so like it's very dainty and small and pretty. So yeah, so I got this from Dollar Tree. Got this. It has shells on it. This is $5. It has shells on it, but I love this glass thing. Honestly, I don't know what this is used for. If you guys can tell me in the comment section, I'll be very grateful. It looks like a flower vase, but I'm not very sure. So if you know what it is used for, because I'm a village girl, tell me. Okay, so but I like this detail on it. I feel like it's very nice. I really love it. And it has this shell detailing. Can you guys see the shell fish detailing on it? So yeah, you guys, when I saw those shells, I was like, can you imagine all these Oyibo people, our brothers in the diaspora, like you just go to the ocean and pick shells that we have in abundance here that we're not paying attention to. What are the other ones? Then it got these small flowers that I'm not so sure whether I want to put them on my corner shelves, but this lotus artificial flower got like three of them. There's that's falling down. You got the but they're, look at them, so small and cute. I'm going to have to pick that up. And these, I don't know what this is called, but it is gray and silver. Let me look at the name. Candle. Oh, they are actually candles. Oh, see, I'm a bush woman. If you're not vex, so they are actually candles. One is gray and silver and gold color, but I'm just going to put them in the corner shelf somewhere. He said it's not from Dollar Tree. This guy here, he said it's not from Dollar Tree, but he got it from a thrift shop. But I feel like it's very nice and it will make a lot of sense. So I feel like God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit. But if you guys know what it means, let me know. It looks like a mask, Abby, doesn't it? Now you see me, now you can't. So yeah, this one is here, and I'm going to be showing you guys where I'm going to be staging them. Decorative saucers. I really don't know if it can be used for eating, but they're decorative. Can you guys see them? And it has some inscription on it. You are powerful, beautiful, brilliant, and brave. I wish it was our affirmation. Like, it will make a lot of sense. I'm blessed, I'm prosperous, and I am flourishing. Like, but it's the same vibes, because we like this type of things in our house. We like things that uplift, things that uplift your soul, your spirit, and your body. So yeah, so those are the things that we got from Dollar Tree. I'm still going to go to the local thrift market here in Nigeria to see what I can get, even though my corner shelf is really small, and I don't think that we need too many things to crowd it up. The fewer things that are on it, the better for all of us. And apart from the gallery wall, I'm also going to be putting this using this to decorate the corner shelf apart from the gallery wall. So I'm thinking maybe I'll put some family photos here. We have like a family picture that we took a while back, me, my husband, and my son, so we can just put that there. And yeah, so that's the haul from Dollar Tree. If you enjoyed this haul, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.